This part change color, change to green. This part I will change color, I'll change to purple.
There is a built-in speaker, right?
There is a built-in speaker. So basically, there is a built-in music library that stores up to 69 songs. So the song can be from the album of morning, you know, whether you're on lounge, tea time, kids, party. There is even a Christmas song.
Okay.
For example, Christmas season, you're gonna play back a Christmas song, Jingle Bell. Then you will play Jingle Bell. Yeah.
This is not the knock one, is it?
This one cannot knock because this is an install model. You knock and see inside. Yeah. You come closer, you hear Jingle Bell.
Ah, okay. Okay, understood.